40 years. For a successful vet visit. And so here Subi is demonstrating how she holds very still, giving the keeper an opportunity to check her skin and hair for any abrasions or irregularities. And you remember what I was saying about 6-year-old sea lions and attention span. Now, would you call that a handstand or a flipper stand? Now, like I said, Subi is the oldest of our 3 sea lions. She is 15 and has been working on a lot of these behaviors for 40 years. Now, all of this training, we will do 3 sessions every day. If they choose to participate in both of the Sparky shows, their training sessions. And all of this training is entirely voluntary. Now, one of my favorite things about these guys, so can any of us balance a ball on our nose while swimming? Well, Subi has an advantage we don't. She has whiskers on her snout called vibrissae that actually pick up vibrations from that ball and also from the water we're swimming through. Yeah, that is worthy of some applause, right? So while she's balancing the ball on her nose, the whiskers will actually tell her which way the ball is about to roll so she can keep her head under it. So it'd be like if we were balancing a ball on our nose, but also had our hands underneath too to tell us which way it was going. Now, can you think of a time when a sea lion might have to catch something? Usually we think of fish, but in this case sometimes it'll be a frisbee too. Now, as I was saying, this is entirely voluntary, so if any of our animals at any point decide they're not sure they're interested anymore, that's okay. We'll let them go do something else, and we'll try training them again later. Being a 6-year-old, Nico is kind of the equivalent of a teenage boy sea lion. So he has trouble focusing on his homework when he's surrounded by the girl sea lions. So I'm going to wrap up the talk down in the front here. So does anyone remember what we called this type of training at the beginning of the show? You can just shout it out. You don't have to raise your hand. Yes, operant conditioning with positive reinforcement. Impressive. Almost nobody ever remembers that. The reason I bring it up is because we do this kind of training for all of our animals. Our sea lions, our polar bears, our gorillas, even our Galapagos tortoise. So, after this show, I invite you to visit the rest of the zoo exhibits and take a look around to see if you see any items like the ones you see on stage here or that were used in our show that might be used in training our other animals. Now, we are a publicly funded institution. That means we do rely on donations, but, well, and also, this show is thanks to walking on their flippers was pretty impressive. Yeah? So tell a friend about that. You'll actually be helping us spread our message about our animal welfare here at Coco.
Chrissy, I'm just going to
So if you have any questions, feel free to come on down to the class, ask me any questions you may have. I'll be happy to answer them. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day here at Como Park Zoo and Conservatory. Thank you.